Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to create a dynamic type integration in DCKAP Integrator. Dynamic type integration are those that are called dynamically, in real time, using an API call from any system through DCKAP Integrator. This type of integration is ideal when you need real-time responses between two systems, like fetching live prices from an ERP whenever a customer visits your e-commerce site. To start, click Create Workflow. Now name your workflow, select Dynamic Type Integration, and enter a sample JSON payload in the provided text box. This payload represents the type of data your system will receive, such as customer or product details. Finally, click Start Building. In this example, we're connecting the P21 system with BigCommerce to fetch product details in real time from P21 to BigCommerce using the product ID. Once your workflow is set, copy the integration URL. This URL is what your source system, like BigCommerce, will use to trigger the integration in real time. Now, we'll add the dynamic URL and access token from DCKAP Integrator into the BigCommerce system store settings. This allows the BigCommerce system to access the workflow in DCKAP Integrator. Even if the product URL is configured, the product will still appear. What you're seeing here is the price populating in real time. This data is returned dynamically by the DCKAP Integrator. You can also verify it by checking the logs. Before we finish, here are some key points to remember when setting up a dynamic integration. First, dynamic workflows must finish within 30 seconds. Make sure your workflow is simple and efficient. If they take longer, they'll fail and return a timeout error. Next, don't forget to copy the integration URL and paste it into your source system, like BigCommerce or Shopify, where it accepts API or webhook URLs. To ensure secure access, you'll need an API token. This token is required for authentication. If it's missing or incorrect, your request will be rejected. You can easily generate this token inside DCKAP Integrator. Finally, always test your workflow thoroughly and monitor the logs to make sure everything is working as expected. Keeping these tips in mind will help you build smooth, reliable real-time integrations. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to DCKAP on YouTube and explore the DCKAP Learning playlist. Check the description below for more.